Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at Max Fix Plus sprays. In particular, we have these travel size. There's 1 fluid ounce in each of these containers or bottles, and they come in a package like this. And it's just basically a special edition. So the Snowball Kit Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And here's the ingredients. I have to be honest, I think one of the reasons why I bought this limited editions of these sprays is that they're just so convenient to have in your makeup bag. So one of the first scents is going to be coconut, and the second scent is going to be rose. This is actually one of my favorites, the rose, and plus also the lavender. Is there a big difference between the sprays? I don't think there really is. You can comment down below if you've tried these sprays, and let me know which one is your favorite scent. The other thing about these sprays, after you're finished using them, you can, I guess, recycle them and put other sprays into them. And I'll talk about that in a second. First, I want to show you their website. So here we are at the Max Prep and Prime Fix Plus sprays. It says 4 different shades, but they're referring to the actual scents. I'm just going to read out some information. A lightweight mist of water packed with vitamins and minerals infused with a blend of green tea, chamomile, and cucumber to gently smooth and refresh the skin. Gives an instant boost of hydration while delivering a soft sheen to refresh and finish makeup. And then it says, hold the bottle 12 inches from the face and spray evenly. Use alone or to finish makeup. Please stay to the end of the video because I'm also going to do demonstrations of the sprays. I talked about this in an earlier video, but I thought I'd show you this again. So this is the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. So the difference between the 2 sprays, this definitely is more to set your makeup. And please don't use it near your eyes. Definitely cover your eyes when you're using this spray, because I find that will kind of sting. Or maybe that's just my experience with it. I do like the price though. And the thing about this bottle, I'll explain in a minute, it has a very strong spray. So if you look at their packaging, Makeup Mist and Set. Prevents colors from running or fading to help keep makeup in place. Lightweight, oil-free formula helps to smooth the skin with key ingredients: aloe, green tea, cucumber, and vitamins A, C, and E. After applying makeup, spray a light mist 12 to 16 inches from your face with eyes closed to set your makeup. Or use to refresh your makeup, let dry naturally, or blot with a tissue to help speed dry. Okay, so over here we have a definition of a monsoon, because that's what I think of this spray. I like the contents of the bottle, but the spray is very strong. So, usually the term monsoon is used to refer to the rainy phase of a seasonally changing pattern, although technically there's also a dry phase. And here are some pictures of the monsoon. And that's how I feel when I'm using this spray. I really feel like I need an umbrella because it's that strong. So I almost want to finish up the bottle of the Fix Plus so I can pour in the e.l.f. spray. Now on to the demonstration. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to spray the e.l.f. into a container. And then the Max Fix Plus. Let's see if I can get this to work. There we go. Maybe I'll try the other one. Sometimes you have to be careful when you're dealing with the lid. I don't know if you can hear the difference. Let's try that again. You see how strong that is? And then with the Max Fix Plus. So this is much shorter, very light spray of the actual contents, but with this it just seems so heavy. I definitely, when I apply my makeup, I have to blot out the extra water with the e.l.f. But I don't have to do this with the Max Fix Plus. One other thing about these sprays, they definitely do have a different scent. I mean, the lavender smells like lavender, the coconut smells like coconut, and the rose smells like rose, but it's just very faint. So if you want to, you can just keep on using your regular Max Fix Plus, the original scent. So that basically does that. About it for this video on these lovely sprays. And have a wonderful day, and thanks again for watching my videos.